So the two main reasons why most diets fail is because of hunger and boredom. And one of my current clients is facing the boredom part of it. So I want to give you a tip that I gave her that you might benefit from. So if you're finding that you're having what I like to call diet fatigue, meaning that you're eating the same things over and over again and it's getting boring, which may lead you to stop following the diet or may lead you to just eating things that you know you shouldn't eat. So one of the things I told my clients, and I was only able to tell her this because she tracks everything that she does. And I told my client that we're at a point in this journey where you've been tracking everything and we've created a habit around the way you eat, which means that she knows the do's and don'ts to eating right to reach her goals. And she's lost well over 20 to 30 pounds at this point. I'd have to look exactly at her numbers, but I know she's somewhere in between 20 to 30 pounds. And we've really only been working together for a few months, but she tracks everything. So what I told her was that right now, it's not so much about what you eat, but it's more about sticking within your macronutrient requirements. So you can pretty much eat anything as long as you focus on quality first and making sure you don't go over those numbers. Now, the problem is that most people or some people will interpret this to mean that they can eat absolutely anything. And typically, really, you can eat absolutely anything as long as you stay under your calories. As long as you don't go over those macronutrient numbers, you really could almost eat anything. But when we're focused on gaining muscle and losing fat, you really need to focus on quality. So it's going to be very difficult for you to gain a lot of muscle if you eat nothing but junk food. But it will be really easy for you to gain muscle and burn fat if you focus on eating high quality proteins and your good vegetables and your fruits. So as long as she stays within there, I'm not so concerned with what she eats. So she can add more quality variety into her diet and have and not have her diet be so boring. Because again, one of the main reasons why diets fail is because of boredom. So she can add that variety into her diet as long as she stays within her macronutrient confines and she stays under her calories. Because look, you can overeat anything. And I was talking to one of my other clients the other day about this, is that you can overeat the quote unquote healthy foods, the foods that are good for you, and still gain weight. Now, it is much harder to overeat the quote unquote healthy foods and still gain weight. So it can be done, but it's very difficult. Whereas the poor quality foods, it doesn't take a lot of junk to end up being too much. So if you're in a position or you've been in a position before where you're starting to feel diet fatigue, where you're getting bored of eating the same things over and over again, and you know that if you continue to do it, you're going to eventually quit the diet and you're going to revert back to what you were doing before, which is what led you to needing a coach or led you to wanting to lose weight or led you to being overweight. Then the best thing you can do is to focus on quality first, stay under your calories, stay within your macronutrient goals, and you can actually see better results while adding that variety into your diet, keeping you on the path to getting to where you want to be. So let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions about this topic, or if you need help on your journey. Click the first link below in the description, fill out the form, and the two of us will figure out what we need to do to get you from where you're at to where you want to be.